So I did come from Vallejo, California, and I wasn't really exposed to biotech until one of my uncles was a student of Professor Jim DeClos, and he works at BioMarin now. It was just one night we had dinner, and I was pursuing physical therapy at first, and I wasn't really liking it. And then he mentioned biotech, and I took one intro to biotech class, and I liked it, so here I am. This program has helped me very much. It's a 2-year program, and it gave me access to get experience in the labs, which is a good opening for career establishment moving forward.
My name is Jim DeClos, and I'm director of the Solano College Industrial Biotechnology program. We started this biotech program 30 years ago in response to Genentech, the pioneering biotech company. They invented this field. They had an announcement that they were going to build the largest multi-use cell culture manufacturing facility in the world in our county. At the time, there were other biotech programs at other colleges and universities that taught the skills required to go into research. But no one was teaching the knowledge and the techniques that someone would need to go into manufacturing. So that's really the goal. The goal is to take students out of underserved communities, out of communities that are relatively poor, and Solano County is the poorest of the 9 Bay Area counties, and have them go into this field that provides these opportunities for upward mobility.
The amazing professors, the amazing students I meet, and many interesting concepts in this school. It's really cool that it's really related to like the work field instead of the theoretical stuff compared to other universities.
I remember back then when I was trying to figure out what it was that I wanted to do, what did I want to go ahead and major in. Classmates that were in the biotech program, right? And so they told me about it, and it sounded really interesting, and so I went ahead and checked it out. Signed up for one of the introductory courses and took the class. Day one, I realized, oh, this is so amazing. It's such an amazing technology that I did not realize existed. I fell in love with the biotech program.
There are a number of bachelor's level programs at community colleges throughout the state, a limited number, and those programs are offered at the community college. Is one of those unique programs that is not offered by either of the other 2 educational systems. I believe we're the only community college in Northern California offering this program.
My name is Jansen. I'm currently a research associate at a startup lab here in Vacaville. It's called Flex Bioculture. I graduated Solano in 2024. Right after that, I did my master's at UC Berkeley in bioprocess engineering. I was able to get a job right before I graduated back here at Solano in Vacaville. Hands-on kind of curriculum that we had here. We worked with bioreactors. We worked with all the molecular bio, pipettes, seed culture flasks, in the biosafety cabinet. I think that kind of built up my background to work in a lab. That's given me the fundamentals to be able to work in a lab firstly, and then from there I can just grow on into my actual position at the lab. We do have a project called Bioreactor Run Week, where all of us as a class operate a bioreactor fermentation run. I still remember those days of grinding out all day and all night to get the bioreactor to work, and all those we learned about shifts, morning shift, day shift, swing shift, working with a big crew, working with a live cell culture in a bioreactor. I still remember those days, and I still take that with me to my job now.
We are recruiting for the next generation so that other people can come into the field, and it has the dual benefit of providing a great career, not a job, but a career for students, again, often from very modest backgrounds, and also of having these tremendous impacts on families and on patients.